Let's learn another 40 words together. Lesson 12 for beginners. How much, much, little, a little. How much is it? I speak English only a little. How many, many, few, a few. How many times do I have to tell you? Over. It's over my limit. Limit. They limited our rights. Light, dark. Light, heavy. Do you prefer light or dark colors? Day. What is the day today? What day is today? What day is it today? Smell, smelt, smelt, or regular, smelled, smelled. It smells good. It smells bad. Arrive in or arrive at. Arrive in a town, in London. Arrive at a station, at an airport. Arrival. They arrived in Prague yesterday. She arrived at the station at 5. Depart, departure. The departure will be delayed. Long, short. How long will it take? Box. We can't find the box. Village. I would like to live in a village. Town, city. Why don't you want to live in a city? Wife. You should meet my wife. Husband. Her husband left for work. Partner. He is my tennis partner. Learn, learned, learned. Or regular, learned, learned. What are you learning? Just let me know. Till, until, by. I will pay it by tomorrow. Food, meal, dish. I usually don't eat fast food. Tonight. Shall I cancel the tonight's reservation? Meat. What kind of meat is he preparing? Sell, sold, sold. I wouldn't sell it. Show, showed, shown. Can you show me your new car? Different, difference. He's so different from her. There's no difference between them. Same, the same as. It is the same as yesterday. Great. That's great news. Stay. Where are you staying? Enjoy your stay. Everything. Everything was wrong. Everybody. Everyone. Where is everybody? Year. I lived 2 years in India. Study. Studies. During my studies. I met him during my studies. Place. It was a beautiful place. Bus. Take a bus. Go by bus. Which bus should I take? Taxi, cab. Could you call me a taxi? Evening. She calls her parents every evening. Serious, seriously. Seriously? Are you serious? Yet. Used in negative sentences and in questions. Are we there yet? Not yet. I don't know yet. Between. Among. That's between the two of us. It was among those 5 boys. News. I have bad news and good news for you. Which one do you want to hear first? And the phrases for today. Help yourself. Or, when there are more people, help yourselves. Seriously? How much is it? How much is this? How much is that? How much are they? How much are these? How much are those? Happy New Year. The same to you. Enjoy your meal. I always travel light. Oh, you made my day. It's over. Good evening. Everything's okay? Everything's all right? All right. I stayed up late last night.